Ladies and gentlemen, space enthusiasts of all ages, so welcome back to Space Science Learning Club. In this video, we are embarking on an extraordinary journey to uncover the secrets of an asteroid like no other. So get ready to dive into the captivating world of NASA's Psyche mission. I'm your host, learning coach Vinod Kumar, and I've got a burning question for you. Have you wondered what lies at the core of a rocky planet? Before we kick off this video, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way, you will be in the loop when I drop some hilarious and captivating content for your viewing pleasure. So let's get this party started. The Psyche mission aims to explore a unique metallic asteroid named Psyche, which is located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Unlike most asteroids that are primarily rocky or icy, Psyche is believed to be composed mostly of metal, specifically iron and nickel. Scientists believe that Psyche may be exposed core of a protoplanet that was stripped of its outer layer through numerous collisions. By studying the asteroid up close, the mission aims to provide insights into the early formation of rocky planets, including Earth. The mission will utilize a solar-powered spacecraft, also named Psyche, to carry out its scientific investigations. So the spacecraft is equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, including a multispectral imager, a gamma ray and a neutron spectrometer, and also a magnetometer. The Psyche spacecraft, originally scheduled to launch in August of 2022 aboard a Falcon Heavy rocket provided by SpaceX, was pushed to more than 14 months of delay due to critical issues that were detected, and right now, with a launch window from October 5 to October 25, the prospects of learning about our early solar system looks very promising. Due to the new launch date, the spacecraft has a new mission plan, which includes a flyby of Mars for a gravity assist and arrival at the asteroid in August 2029. The mission then will enter its 26-month science phase, collecting observations and data as the spacecraft orbits the asteroid at different altitudes. The redesigned flight plan gives the mission more flexibility in how the spacecraft uses its electric propulsion thrusters to reach the asteroid, move between the orbits and also remain in orbit. Unlike many other bodies in our solar system, the asteroid Psyche rotates on its side. This means that the mission planners need to take this unusual rotation into account as they map out the spacecraft's observational orbits around the asteroid. Another challenge is that the spacecraft will reach Psyche at a different point in the asteroid's orbit around the Sun than it would have in the previous mission plan. In the original plan, the spacecraft was to sequentially orbit the asteroid at 4 different altitudes, starting at the highest altitude referred to as orbit A, working its way down to the lowest, orbit B. So orbit A, B, C and D. In the new mission plan, Psyche will initially enter orbit A, then descend to orbit B1, then move back to D, and then to orbit C, and finally it will move out to orbit B2. So this confusing new orbital design ensures that the images on the spacecraft will have the lighting they would need during orbit B1 and B2. So the other orbits are designed to best enable the observational need of the gamma ray neutron spectrometer, the magnetometer and the telecommunication system, which is used for the gravity science experiment. Once at the asteroid Psyche, the spacecraft will conduct a comprehensive study of the asteroid. What it does is that it maps its surface, collects data on its composition, geology, about the magnetic field. This will provide valuable insights into the asteroid's unique metallic nature and its geological history. By studying Psyche, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the building blocks of rocky planets, including Earth. So this mission will provide unprecedented insights into the properties and formation process of the planetary cores, so which are typically hidden beneath layers of rock and other materials. So, do you want to be part of this important milestone? Check out important details about the mission and get updated through the website link shown below and in the description. Check out amazing scientific goals of the project, including to find if the core of the asteroid is indeed a core or an unmelted material, the relative age of regions of its surface, the elemental composition and differentiation between the asteroid and Earth's elements, and also how the different instruments ranging from the multispectral imager, the gamma ray and neutron spectrometer, the magnetometer and the X-ray band gravity science investigator work to provide unassailable communication between the probe and mission control on Earth. The Psyche mission is set to revolutionize our understanding of the inner workings of rocky bodies in the solar system. For the first time ever, instead of studying about an icy or a rocky object, we are headed to study about what appears to be the exposed nickel iron core of an early planet. So one of the building blocks of our solar system. So it presents a unique opportunity to explore a world that might resemble the core of our own planet, shedding light on the mysteries of planetary formation and evolution. And that's all in this video about space missions in 2023. Stay tuned for in the next videos. We will be talking about the return of Euclid, the Osiris Rex, the Juno and other amazing space missions. So until then, keep looking up and keep exploring.